Why are Japanese knives so special? Japanese knives have a fantastic reputation. If you have ever worked with a professionally crafted blade from Japan, then you have tasted quality. From samurai swords to kitchen knives, Japan has long been renowned for making blades. Let's see what's so special about Japanese knives in this video. How are Japanese kitchen knives made? Japanese knives are crafted from a single piece of steel. The advanced forging process hammers and tempers the steel to create each blade. And there are two distinct processes, each bringing their own characteristics to the finished knife. Kasumi knives combine hard steel with flexible and soft iron to create sturdiness and an extra sharp blade. Honyaki knives use only steel in the blade, and that means that the knife stays sharper for longer. Why are Japanese knives so expensive? Our answer is simple. They are expensive because they are quality products. Japanese knives are expensive because they use very high quality steel. Most Japanese knife manufacturers use high carbon steel for their knives. That makes the steel harder and allows for a sharper blade. This steel is more expensive than the Western steels, which are far softer. Some Japanese knives will use expensive timber for their handles or have very intricate and beautiful Damascus steel patterns on the blade. There is a much stronger tradition of creating both beautiful and practical knives in Japan, compared with Western design, which is almost entirely focused on practicality. Often, these aesthetic improvements add to the cost. Are Japanese knives worth the money? Japanese knives are sharp, but they can be more brittle, which is why they need a little more care and maintenance. However, if you're looking for a super sharp knife that's also beautiful, then Japanese knives are absolutely worth the extra cost. There are right-handed and left-handed wabocho knives. Among single-bevel wabocho, which are typically right-handed, there are also left-handed knives with the edge on the opposite side. Among right-handed knives, the sharp part of the blade is clearly located on the right side of the knife. Among left-handed wabocho, there is the sharp part on the left side. These are the knives that left-handed Japanese chefs use. What are the types of Japanese knives out there? SANTOKU knife, $119.99. SANTOKU translates as knife of three virtues. This type of knife is mainly used for vegetables, fish and meat. It is a multi-purpose knife that can come with a European or Japanese handle. The knife will usually be 6.5 to 7.1 inches long and usually has a double bevel. They cost a hefty $119.99. Petty knife, $143.99. Resembling a smaller version of GYUTOU knife, a petty knife is used for paring. It is a utility knife that will come in useful when you are handling any fruits or vegetables. Any take where a large knife would only get in the way and you need a delicate touch, the petty knife is your best friend. If you ever need to peel fruits, remove cores, remove eyes from root vegetables, decorate or perform any other delicate work, then a petty knife should be in your kitchen. They cost about $143.99. NAKIRI knife, $164.95. The rectangular NAKIRI knife is similar to the Usuba knife. It is thinner than the Usuba knife and is found more in home kitchens. NAKIRI translates as knife for cutting greens and is essential for handling vegetables. It can have Japanese or European handle. The length usually ranges from 6.5 to 7.1 inches and it features a double bevel. It costs around $164.95. GYUTOU chef's knife, $179.99. A GYUTOU knife is a traditional chef's knife. A GYUTOU knife has a slightly curved blade allowing you to rock the knife back and forth as you cut, and is used in Japanese cuisine to prepare Western food, though it also does lend itself well to Japanese cuisines. This knife can replace any chef's knife in a Western kitchen. They cost a hefty $179.99. The knife works for meat and vegetables, and the sharp tip allows you to do precision work too. HONESUKI knife, $189.97. A HONESUKI knife is essential in any kitchen that handles a lot of meat and is used for deboning. Differing from Western boning knives, the HONESUKI has a triangular blade that has minimal flex. It is extremely useful for deboning chicken and can cut through soft joints. The usual asymmetrical edge favors using one hand over the other, but you can also find balanced versions that can be used in both hands. Being more compact, a HONESUKI knife can also be used as a paring or utility knife. The cost of a HONESUKI knife is $189.97. DEBA knife, butchery, $225.99. The DEBA knife is a butcher's knife originally designed for cutting and filleting chicken and fish. DEBA knives run from 6.5 to 8.2 inches in length and are around 0.35 inches thick. While the blade does look tough, remember that this is a filleting knife. The knife should not be used to cut through bones, and the edge can chip if you do. The blades are chisel ground and usually have a Japanese handle. They cost around $225.99. YANAGI slicer, $289.99. YANAGI knives are single-edge, traditional blades that are used to cut sushi, sashimi, and crudo in one long stroke. The long drawing motion from these blades gives a precise cut and protects the food while it is being cut. These single-edge knives are extremely sharp. They cost around $289.99. Takobiki slicer, $324.99. Originating in the Kanto region of Japan, the Takobiki knife is a variation of the Yanagi knife and features an incredibly sharp single edge. The knife is created for slicing and is often used for sushi, sashimi, and crudo. The edge is blunt, bringing a layer of safety, and this is often favored by sushi chefs who are working close to customers. They are quite expensive and cost around $324.99.